Are you tired of staring at charts all day and still hitting stop losses? What if I told you that you could automate your success on Deriv with a precision-engineered tool? Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm showing you something revolutionary. We are looking at PivotCore.net, an advanced auto-trading platform designed specifically for Deriv traders. In this video, I'm putting it to the ultimate test: 10 live trades with one goal, winning at least 9 of them. If you've been looking for a way to take the emotion out of trading and let technology do the heavy lifting, you're in the right place. Trading manually is tough. We get greedy, we get scared, and we make mistakes. That's where PivotCore comes in. It's not just a bot, it's a systematic approach to the markets. It connects seamlessly with your Deriv account to execute trades based on high-probability logic. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, the barrier to entry is gone. Today, I'll show you exactly how I set up my differs strategy to capture consistent profits without the stress. All right, let's dive into the dashboard. As you can see, the interface is clean and intuitive. I've set my parameters for the digit differs strategy. Why 10 trades? Because consistency is king. Watch as the first trade goes through. Boom, that's a win. We are looking for those specific market patterns that PivotCore identifies in milliseconds. Here goes trade 4. 5. Notice the speed of execution. This is the advantage of using an auto trading platform. You beat the manual delay. We're currently 6 wins deep, no losses. The logic behind PivotCore is designed to stay ahead of the volatility. While we finish these last few trades, let's talk about why PivotCore is becoming the go-to for the Deriv community. It offers seamless integration. Your funds stay secure on Deriv. PivotCore just sends the signals. Risk management, you have total control over your stake and your targets. Accessibility, you don't need a supercomputer. You can run this from your browser. Look at the screen. We just hit our 9th win. That is the power of a 90% strike rate in action. I know what you're thinking. How do I get in on this? It's simple. Head over to PivotCore.net. The setup takes less than 5 minutes. If you are already a Deriv user, you're halfway there. You can start small, test the waters, and see the results for yourself. Don't let the market leave you behind while others are automating their income. 10 trades, 9 wins. The results speak for themselves. If you want to stop gambling and start trading like a professional, give PivotCore a try. I've left all the links you need in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more live trading sessions, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go get those profits.